Hello, welcome to another video of detailed math solutions. In this video, I'm going to prove that the following equation is true. A minus b in parentheses squared equals to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. As the first step, we need to factor the left side of the equation, a minus b squared. It equals to a minus b multiplied by the same factor, a minus b. Then we need to open parentheses, or multiply a by a, then a by negative b, and then negative b by a, and negative b by negative b. This equals to a squared minus ab, then negative b by a gives negative ba, and negative b by negative b gives plus b squared. We notice that the middle two terms, negative ab and negative ba, are actually equal. Negative ba equals to negative ab. Therefore, we can add them. This way we get a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. In other words, we did prove that a minus b squared equals to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. This is another important algebra formula that needs to be memorized and used to simplify algebraic expressions or in equations, in solving equations. It also can be used in reverse. In other words, if there is an algebraic expression a squared minus 2ab plus b squared, we can directly write that it equals to a minus b squared. Thank you for watching.